So your boy got his first ever collab, like his first ever partnership, and I'm feeling good about it. But before we get into today's video with Dossier Fragrances, I just want to let you guys know a little quick disclaimer. Look, just because I got these fragrances in, just because they sent them to your boy for the free, it does not ruin the integrity of this channel. I'm going to keep it straight 100, real and raw with you guys about these fragrances, if I like them or not. And that's just how we rocking on this channel. We're going to keep it real. I'm going to let you guys know, man, you got to trust my nose. Like if I'm coming to you, I tell you it's good, it's good. Most of the time, if it's bad, I don't even bring it to the channel. So that should already let you guys know that I value you guys and I'm not here to waste your time. So look, if you guys wanted to know the real about Dossier Fragrances, I think this is the video that you need to watch. So stay tuned.
My sense of peace.
B.O.B. What's good, smell good squad? Man, I did not
combos to feed the streets.
Yep.
I be mixing body oil with the EDPs.
What?
And I smell so sweet, now it can't be beat. They like what you got on, it's the top of the street.
Or Joe Milano.
Subscribe to the channel, yeah, we coming with heat.
Yeah.
From work to date night, now your swag complete.
YouTube, what's going on, man? It's your boy D back again. And you already know what I'm here to do. I'm here to keep you fresh, fly, and confident. And this is the Layer by Scentz channel where we elevate your presence one spray at a time. So look, man, you already seen the thumbnail. You already watched the prequel. So you already know what we're here to talk about, man. We're here to talk about Dossier Fragrances. So look, our friends at Dossier, they hit me up. They said, D, we want to partner with you and we want you to smell some of our scents. Let us know how you feel about them and share with your channel. So look, we're gonna do just that today. And they sent me 3 of their bangers. And the ones that we ended up getting Fougère Pink Pepper. We got Ambery Saffron. And we got Aromatic Ginger. Right off top, man. These bottles, very nice bottles. Very niche looking. And man, they come with that magnetic cap. So right off top, classy, strong magnetic cap. So you can hold them by the top. And these things are definitely quality. So most of their fragrances, you can get them at $49 plus tax. And man, you definitely can't beat that for 50 bucks. They're giving you some of the best inspired designer and niche fragrances that money can buy. Get it in the mail, it'll come in a box like this, and you're just gonna open that box up, and on the inside you got iconic scents, designer quality, no markups. And it comes with a nice card that's going to give you a little bit of information about the company, the notes that's in the fragrance, and the concentration and what it's inspired by. So Fougère Pink Pepper, this is actually inspired by Gucci Guilty, and some of the notes that's in here is pink pepper, lemon, neroli. In the mid, they got orange blossom, lavender, geranium, and in the base, it's amber patchouli and cedarwood. So 18% concentration on all of their fragrances. And like I said, man, this is pretty nice, man. So we're gonna go ahead and get that cap off, and we're just gonna go straight to skin. Look at that atomizer, very nice atomizer, hitting all of those Gucci Guilty notes, and this is a very nice take on that DNA. So yeah, I think that one right there, that's gonna be a banger for sure. Definitely just reminds me of that Gucci Guilty, man, for real. All right, so next up, we got that Ambery Saffron, man. And this one is actually inspired by Mason Francis Kirkjohn's BR 540, man. So this thing is definitely just in the air. I'm getting all of those BR 540 vibes. It definitely smells amazing. Now, as far as longevity on these, I don't know exactly the longevity. I haven't fully tested these out, but I can say just trying them, spraying them on in the little bit of time I have had them, they definitely seem like they stick to the skin well. And Like I said, man, they all smell of high quality. So you're definitely not gonna be upset with trying them out because you're definitely getting your bang for your buck here. So as far as this ambery saffron, the top notes in it is saffron, orange blossom. We got a mid of jasmine, plum, ooh, that sexy plum, cedarwood. We got oak moss in the base with some amber. So this one also 18% concentration. So all of these are at your parfum concentration. And like I said, man, you're getting all of just that saffron, that amber, that orange blossom. This is really nice and very reminiscent of what it's inspired by. So I'm already knowing, man, I'm gonna be throwing this one on. I'm gonna be turning heads. So last but not least, we're gonna be trying out this Aromatic Ginger. Aromatic Ginger. So yeah, if you already know what that Lamensite does, it's the nice summertime banger, man. That thing is lemony, it's green, crisp, just amazing scent. And just in the air, I'm definitely getting those vibes. Man. I'm definitely getting all that lemony vibe. I'm getting that sage. I'm getting that rosemary, that ginger. That one, oh my gosh, that smells amazing. Kind of gives me a little bit like an oriental vibe, a little bit, man. That's definitely fire. So as far as the notes in this thing, we got ginger, grapefruit, marine notes. We got clary sage, rosemary, geranium, and at the base we got amberwood and some lavender. So, man, this thing is hidden off of my arm, like in the air off of my arm. It's just smacked me all up beside the face, man. This thing is fire. So Dossier, man, y'all definitely doing y'all thing. Y'all have done y'all thing with these scents, and man, presentation is on point. The customer service is on point. So one cool thing about Dossier is that you can actually sample these scents. So let's say that you ordered for 49 bucks plus tax any one of these fragrances. You can sample it, see how you like it, and if you don't like it, they give you the option to send it back for your money back. So man, that is actually a value. So I thought that was a very cool little touch that gives them an edge, and that shows that they know that they're giving out quality, that they're not trying to hit you with no BS, and they're offering you your money back if you don't like it. So I think that is actually very nice. And when it comes down to your wallet gonna be happy, man, because you ain't gonna have to buy a whole bunch of scents that you were blind buying and saying, I don't like this one, but I'm gonna go back and order this one. So look, if you want to check out Dossier fragrances, go ahead and check out their website. It is dossier.co. And man, that's where you're gonna be able to find all of these amazing scents, lock in with some of that great customer service. And I can tell you straight up, I think you guys are definitely gonna be happy with this company. And if you love fragrance, continue watching. I got some more videos that's going to be popping up soon. Go ahead and hit the subscribe, and we're going to keep rocking out like that. I'll see you guys next time. Smell good, squad. Peace.